Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, as it is a place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Just a quick disclaimer, if you feel that you cannot remember those codes, no worries, just check our website and just type in this model, so Xiaomi 13, and you will be able to find those codes listed. So it may be quite useful. Alright, so the next code, which will open the testing mode, it is *#4636 ###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got two different phone informations because we've got two different SIM cards and also a Wi-Fi info. So let me show you, for example, this one. Here you will be able also check the email number, the card network, data service, voice service, and so on. Of course, I can see that I do not have any information, but no worries, it is because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you will have one, you will be able to check the details. You can run ping test here also, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let me check the Wi-Fi information. As you can see, we've got the API configuration and the status. Let me pick the status, let's refresh the stats, and as you can see, we can check the info like the supplicant state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let me go back to the dialer, as it is that's all for this code, and let me show you another one which will open the calendar info, and the code for it is *##225 *##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events. As you can see, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics, and the code for it is *##426 *###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and the signal level should also appear right here. We can tap on events, and here we've got some details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view, but after that we have to tap on the status again. And as you can see here, we've got the information just like the connect time, heartbeat, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the information about the battery. And the code for this *##6485 *##. And as I said, we are in the charging and battery information, so you can check the status, if it is discharging or charging, in which condition it is, and so on and so on. And the last code which I'd like to show you will open the section about phone, so you can learn more about your device. And the code is quite simple to remember. It is *##4 O's ###. And as you can see, we've got the device info. Here we've got the hardware version, the baseband version, Android version, and so on. We can also check the email here. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.